They go reach this morning, birds they cry for my window.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just didn't post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can know anytime we post video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Today is the part 2 of our story, Inside Life. And the crying bird. Yes. Okay. So as I dey talk and dey come from the part 1, the oyibo come dump me for inside church. He say na church na I belong. So the church people, they come give me one small place when I go dey manage the stay. They come dey see how the fit help me. Then from there, they come help me with lawyer. I can't get my own personal lawyer. My lawyer, they try to tell them, say me they not deport me. Why my husband take a very good lawyer, say they must deport me. It can't remain few months, may my documents expire. And no way I will fit a renewal. I can't they hide, they go for Switzerland. I don't know what I want to. There's somebody when I see for inside train, one black, he can't help me for one work of McDonald's. The work where he help me now, no contract work. He get the way the work be because they not fit give me work. So the work when this man take help me, I will go dey clean inside McDonald's, the toilets and those things. He get the way the man take help me, they do the work. So the work, he not get contracts. But being as say now the black man be the manager for there, so he try best to make sure say he help me for that place. Say me I just dey get small thing for my hand. I can't dey do the work. I dey do the work sometimes midnight. I go finish for the work. You know say they say if person when they keep person they come, the one when go save am, he go dey follow am, dey waka dey come. One night as I clean toilet finish, I just dey sing praises, they go, they worship God, they sing, they go. Now I see one young man, oyibo, he park for front. He say wetin I dey sing. Now say I dey sing praises to Almighty God. He say he say where I dey go. Now tell am say see where I dey go. He say okay, me I enter, he go help me for lift. Now so I take enter. He can't go drop me for the small house where be say church people give me when I dey. Can't tell me say whether I fit give am my number. Now say yes, of course I can't give am my number, and he can't say whether if he can't dey greet me. I say yes. So he can't greet me. So he won't come again. Now tell am say this place they know they allow visitor, and this place when me come dey stay, it can't be like say the case me they lose the case, so they want really deport me. So they can't say make I comot for that place. I not get where I want stay again. Now I can't call this oyibo. I say I fit come your house. He can't say make I come. I can't dey house. I can't begin to stay with am for there. But I not tell am my situation. I not tell am say I fell marry, say na pursue, that they pursue me they go, or I dey run for deportation. I not tell am. So as I come dey stay with am, e not tey 9 o'clock come enter, belle come enter, and this belle it come be twins. Now he come tell me say as I don't get belle for am, so I need to go hospital. Now I tell am say me I no dey go hospital because me I dey dodge. Now there I come open up. Now I come tell am say see wetin happen, how this man take carry me come, see wetin dey happen, wetin cause quarrel till today. I no fit talk wetin cause quarrel because this man na good man. He no offend me for one thing. All of a sudden he pursue me comot for his house, say na church I belong, make I go stay inside church. Now he tell me, now this man come dey tell me say me for tell am for the beginning say see the situation where I dey. If or no, now tell am say make e no vex so. I no know say this relationship sef e go come lead to pikin. Now he come talk say you need to take another lawyer so that you don't get belle for me now. Now my children now you carry so they no fit deport you with my children. And so he can't take lawyer, they can't fight am, he can't do everything. Thank God everything can't turn up to be good for me. I can't born twins, boy and girl, beautiful children. Now so I can't dey with this my oyibo. Then I don't know wetin push me again, because ever since then when I get that problem and my papa come dey stay with my younger ones for the house wey that first oyibo built for me, e come dey get problem with them. They come dey get problem for there. E come be like say e dey give the children stress. So now I come say, and couple with wetin happen to me wey be say I just say papa come enjoy. Oyibo for show me comot for house, and for house for there dem dey kwanta papa do this, dey report papa up and down. Now he say papa abeg go back to village. Na so papa take go back to village o. He no know say as papa go back to village, the worst na come be. As I come see this man, everything dey okay with this man dey do good work, this man dey help me, this man dey, in short the man just dey nice to me. E come be like say another way open again for me. Now I come tell this man say I for like make my family come Switzerland, at least even if say dem no come stay, make dem come for visit, at least make dem still enjoy Europe life. Then this my new husband come say okay, no problem, make dem come. Now we come go do paper. We wan invite my younger ones and my papa. Now there I think I make another mistake for there again. Now because he go call my papa, I don born o, I born twins so, and this time around I wan bring you and my younger ones come Europe. My papa don vex for wetin don fit happen. To even come Europe sef, e no dey in mind again. I no know say na another thing that come dey in mind. We do the visa, do. They no give them visa. But no be say they no give them visa come be the problem. The problem come be say me, I can't be like say another problem dey come again. Why e be say anytime I wan connect to my papa, I go dey get problem. Now I call my papa, now I comfort am. Now say papa, wetin I do you wey be say you no train me? I see they try to wan take you as father. You dey popo me. Now my papa say no be dey popo me o. He say na that my mama brother na dey popo me, because say that my first husband no buy tipa for am. Na him make am dey popo me. He say he don go give am paper, make he come answer query why he dey popo me. Now say before I think say na he dey popo me, but no be him. Na you, papa, na you dey worry me. He say no be him o. Because the way things come be now, it can't get as it be. So it could be say they won't even try to pour craze, but that craze it no work. So my body go dey hish me. I can't go Nigeria. I can't go baff, because they say that my papa they worry me, say if this native doctor he bath me, I know say I make mistake for there. As a child of God, I'm not supposed to do that thing, but I don't get choice, because I'll just sit down you be like say body they itch me. I go just run go outside. Sometimes I want to enter market, sometimes I want to go here, because I don't face see for dream say my enemy craze enter market. So the thing come they do say they want pour craze for my enemy. Now I begin they run, and so I take run, buy tickets, run go Nigeria. Now they come carry me go one native doctor place. They say if he bath me, everything go do okay. And truly, when he bath, everything can do okay. The thing can't stop. I can't come back to Switzerland. As I just dey land Switzerland, the thing say make I come back. It can't be like say the thing can't be times 10. Can't be like say they pour petrol for inside fire again. The thing can't start to the inch. Now, cause this one not be washing again. Now prayer and fasting. Now begin they pray. I dey fast. Anything that they do now papa hands now they see. I know say you when they watch me now, you go tell me say why they think say now my papa they do all these things when they happen. Because now wetin Lady T asked me say why I think say na my papa. Say because sometimes you feel dream, because I dey see my papa for dream. Even the time when we small, when be say we dey grow they come. E get one man wey die. After the man die, one small boy come out come confess say na he kill the man, and he say my papa he join and other people join, say na dem payment the man for kovu. That time they grow, they come. So now I come dey try to dey remember say maybe wetin that small pikin talk na truth, because me dey see hands for my body. So I know that's what Lady T ask me. Lady T tell me say, you know me say if I dream say I see my papa in a bad way, that be say my papa not be wish. Sometimes people dey use my papa face fit come take cover. Now I make Lady T understand say they no use my papa face take cover. Now my papa, because the way everything be, it show say na my papa. I explain to Lady T say this thing wey dey happen, for instance, when I born my twins children, one for inside e come press one, so e come make e face come get small mark. So doctor tell me say e go grow up. As e dey grow up, the mark go dey cover, because say dem be twins, e be like say that one press am for belle. So as e dey grow, that mark go dey cover, e no go show. And really when dem dey grow dey come, the mark come dey cover. Now wetin e be say you no go even know, except say I tell you, and you go put your eye inside well before you know say such mark dey for one of the twin face. Then one day I come tell my papa, I come tell am say my children they dey okay, because I tell am say I born twins. E come dey happy. Now I come tell am say but the twins see wetin happen, of which this secret I never ever reveal am to anybody. Even my younger ones, I no tell anybody. I never ever reveal am to anybody. I come tell my papa say these twins, na say as one take press one, that place mark dey, so that's why doctor tell me say go dey grow dey come, say the mark is still there. My papa come say okay, no problem. Do you know that in the night I come dey dream, my papa carry that particular place wey me tell am, he use am dey hit ground for the twin body. And when day come break, that place e come change, e no be as e be again. And that my twin pikin, now so that head e take dey knack ground, as my papa take use am knack ground for dream. Now so e dey use am by himself take dey knack ground. Now school don call me, they tell me say they never see pikin wey be say go dey do this kind thing. Small pikin wey never reach how many years, they want begin dey say na madness. Say they want go check am. Now this one na enemy madness, e get the name wey they call am. Now there I tell no say na my papa, because na only you one I tell. Ever since when I not tell am, I not see anything like that. But I can't tell her now. Wetin me come dey see be that. And again, every day now, every day, go reach this morning, bird dey cry for my window. Every day, bird dey cry for my window. And this bird when dey cry, so my husband no dey hear the cry. Na only me dey hear the bird. Na only me and my children dey hear the bird. I go ask my husband, say, you know dey hear bird dey cry? He go say, you know dey hear, but my children dey hear. Me, I dey hear the bird. Every night the bird will come my window. He go dey cry. Even this morning, he still dey cry. I beg my precious people, my beautiful people, my responsible people, wetin una think about this whole thing? My papa now is still there for village, and me now I still dey my country here with my children, with my family. Wetin I go do now? How I go take comot for inside this thing? Whether I go say na me put myself or abi no be me put myself? How I go take comot for inside this thing? Now wetin dey happen for inside life na be this one. Now say make I still bring am come out o, because if you see me now, my body don dey change. I'm just 20-something years. I just be 20-something years. I never reach 30 years, but my body don dey hold as if say I dey 50 years. My body dey siran. When you say person body, skin dey change. Because I don't know how this my husband go take this kind of situation. Body don dey siran, don dey skin don dey change. I don go hospital, they don check, they say they no know wetin dey happen, they no know how the thing be. So I no know where I for wrong anybody. I no know where I for wrong anybody. So my precious people, now my story be this. Now I say make I still bring am come, make I share am with the world people. Make una help me shook mouth put where I want for start. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Now the situation where I dey right now, na be this one. The bird still dey cry every night, but I dey pray. E still dey cry. My body no be body again. My body dey change like old woman body. And my son, they say they wan go do that test. Say because as small pikin go just carry, dey use the hair, dey hit wall. Say this one e no dey normal for children. Just because of say, I say make my papa come follow me chop. I know say many people go talk say no be papa or maybe na enemies from home. But all these enemy people, I not tell them my situation. And my situation was very good. I was okay before until 2 times when I don't call and say come. The first one na the first husband where I don't reach Europe. I say okay papa, go stay my house. I don't dey Europe. Now they don't want to kick me out. The second one now, this one where I still jam, now correct man will be say, I feel still invite and say, papa, come see as Europe be. Now there this problem still start. This is the 2 occasion where I don't see. Now the occasion be this one of say, I call my papa say, come follow me chop. I know say people not go believe say that my papa. But I never tell my secret. I don't get secret where they tell anybody. But now only you one and see wetin they happen to me. So my beautiful people, mokuna shukuna mapu for inside this matter. Thank you so much for listening to my story. God bless you all. Hello, my lovely people, my beautiful people in the house. I hope you enjoy and I hope you understand the way I take present this story, because many people involved, so that I'll feel express it more better. So thank you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin, True Dreams with Lady T. I beg my precious people, Mona shook my put for inside this matter. And please, as you watch this video, put down your like button, that finger when you say put like, up ever for you, backward never for you. And please share this video. Don't be stingy with this video. Share it to all your social media network. This video will still save somebody, will help somebody, because you pick something from it. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will save life, that will touch life. Thank you so much. Please, your opinion in the comment section, and this matter, we'll take it to our Telegram group. We'll still shook our mouths, put for inside for there. Thank you so much for coming around again. Thank you. See you on our next video. Bye. And please, if you watch this video and you have not watched the part 1, please watch the part 1. Then you watch the part 2 so that you will understand that, because the thing long, I just cut and short so that part 1, part 2. Understand? Thank you, my lovely people. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.